Ask my instructor 3.4.10. What is the limit as x goes to 0 of this rational expression? The first thing we notice is that the numerator, cosine squared x minus 1, is the difference of two squares and follows the pattern a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b. So we factor the numerator. Please do that now. Cosine squared x minus 1 is equal to cosine x plus 1, cosine x minus 1. And we replace the current numerator with its equivalent form. Replacing the numerator with its equivalent form, we next turn our attention to a limit provided in our textbook. We are given that the limit of cosine x minus 1 over x, that limit is equal to 0. Coming from the left or the right, the function converges to 0. Both the numerator and the denominator are going to 0 as x approaches 0, leading to an indeterminate form 0 over 0. However, in this case, the ratio is settling to a finite limit of 0. This indicates that while the 0 in the denominator is causing the ratio to become larger, the numerator is going to 0 faster, causing the overall ratio to be 0. It's a fairly interesting idea. So this limit, cosine x minus 1 over x, that limit going to 0 tells us something about our limit. But what is happening to the factor cosine x plus 1 in the numerator? Is that factor settling to a limit? That is, does this limit exist? Cosine x plus 1. In fact, the limit can be easily found because cosine x is a continuous function and its limit at any point can be found by evaluating. So the limit as x goes to 0 of cosine x plus 1 is equal to 2. We are now ready to find the limit we are seeking. We know that cosine x minus 1 over x, we know that that is converging to 0. We know that cosine x plus 1, we know that that is converging, and that's converging to 2. Since both limits exist separately, we can use the rule that the limit of the product is the product of the limits. And so I can break my product up in this manner. Then the limit of cosine x minus 1 over x, that's equal to 0. And the limit of cosine x plus 1 over 1, that's equal to 2 over 1. Giving me the overall value of 0 times 2, or 0. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions on this.